Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw flow from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of her head with an arch curved line across. And for the pattern on the left side of her face, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line upwards on the left corner, semicircle turn diagonally down on the left side, and semicircle turn downwards. Turn it back diagonally to the right and downwards, right there. Semicircle turn downwards at the side of her neck and turn it out to the left. On the right side, I'm gonna extend that line downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally to the middle on the right, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back to the left, and semicircle turn downwards with a curved line. Turn it inwards to the middle point and to her chin, and I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the left corner, right there. From the upper point, curve line diagonally out and downwards to the left. Flare it back outwards to the right and curve line downwards to the side of her jaw. Semicircle turn slightly to the right at the jaw and turn it downwards at the side of her neck right there. Semicircle turn outwards to the left. For the pattern on the right side of her head, I'm going to draw from the ending point on the right, curve line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally into the middle on the left, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back outwards diagonally to the right, and turn it downwards at that corner with a curve line and turn it inwards towards her chin. On her chin, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across to the other ending point on the left. Going back up on the top right corner, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across, turn it downwards, and I'm going to trace the same set of line back to her chin at the outer corner on the right here. And on the right side of her face, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards. Right there, and on the right side of that at the upper corner, diagonal curve line out, turn it downwards and turn it back inwards at the lower point. At the ending point on her chin, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, flare it outwards to the right, sharp turn back upwards on the right side of her jaw. On the right side of that line, I'm going to draw another curve line diagonally out and down to the right. Turn it sideways to the right and to her shoulder. Semicircle turn downwards at that corner. Sharp turn diagonally upwards to the left. Sharp turn downwards. Semicircle turn to the left. Turn it downwards. Turn it diagonally to the right and downwards. Turn it upwards at that corner and diagonal turn inwards to the left. Below that shape on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Turn it slightly inwards and back out. Sharp turn upwards diagonally to the left. Sharp turn downwards diagonally to the left and downwards. Semicircle turn back out to the right and to her thigh. Turn it back inwards with a curved line and turn it back out and downwards. Below her chin on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally out to the left and downwards. Semicircle turn at the side of her arm right there, downwards with a curved line, slightly to the left, turn it to the left diagonally, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back to the right, and turn it downwards. On the right corner at the outer point, I'm gonna trace the same set of line again upwards to the side of her chin and halfway to the chin. At that corner, I'm gonna leave a gap and continue the line upwards to the side of her chin. Sharp turn back downwards to the right at that corner. Semi-circular turn diagonally to the left and curve line downwards. Semi-circular turn diagonally to the right, and above that line I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at that corner. Continue that curve line downwards, turn it slightly inwards to the left, and semi-circular turn back out to the right. Semi-circular turn downwards, turn it to the left with the curve line, semi-circular turn downwards, and semi-circular turn sideways to the right. Semi-circular turn back out to the left and turn it downwards at that corner. Turn it diagonally to the right and turn it downwards. Turn it to the left diagonally and semi-circular turn back to the right. Turn it sideways to the right at that corner and semi-circular turn back to the left, and I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the right corner. At that point, I'm gonna make a sharp turn downwards to the right, and I'm gonna trace that same set of line on the right side right there. And at this point, I'm gonna extend it straight downwards, semi-circular turn diagonally to the right, curve line across to the right, semi-circular turn downwards. Turn it sideways to the right, and I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the right corner right here, and turn it inwards on her ankle point right there. On the left side, for the base of her shoe, I'm gonna draw a line across, semi-circular turn upwards from her heels and turn it straight upwards, flare it back outwards below the knee point and turn it back inwards behind the knee point. At that corner, I'm gonna draw another curve line upwards to the middle of her legs for the inner corner of her thigh. For the outer line of her thigh, I'm gonna draw another curve line upwards on the right side right here. Extend it upwards and flare it slightly out towards her waist and turn it back inwards on her waist right there. At the outer corner of the waist, I'm gonna draw on the right a curve line out, semi-circular turn downwards and semi-circular turn back diagonally in. In the middle of her leg, I'm gonna draw a curve line across at that corner. Now for the pattern on the left side of her body, at the gap below her head, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards, semi-circular turn diagonally to the right, turn it back to the left and slightly downwards, curve line downwards at that corner, turn it slightly to the left, turn it back to the right and diagonally to the left, semi-circular turn back outwards to the left all the way to the upper point of her left knee, semi-circular turn back diagonally out to the right, turn it downwards, turn it back to the left and diagonal turn back to the right, and semi-circular turn downwards at that corner all the way to her foot. Turn it slightly to the left on her ankle point and curl it back outwards to the right. and semicircle turn downwards at that corner. Turn it to the right. Turn it upwards at that corner, and I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the left side right here. Now on her thigh, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back downwards to the left, semicircle turn downwards and slightly to the right. Curve it back outwards to the left and semicircle turn downwards and slightly to the right at that corner. Turn it back to the right at that corner and turn it back to the left diagonally and curl it back to the right. Sharp turn back to the left, and I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the left side of her leg right there. Above her thigh, I'm gonna trace that line back upwards to the upper part of her body right there. And at this corner, I'm gonna make a sharp turn diagonally to the left, semicircle turn downwards, flare it slightly out, and semicircle turn to the right, and curve it back out diagonally to the left, and semicircle turn downwards all the way to the lower part of her knee at the left corner right there. On the left side of her thigh, I'm going to draw a curved line up and out, and I'm going to trace the same curved line back upwards on the left corner right here. At that corner, I'm going to make a sharp turn back diagonally downwards, turn it back inwards and down, and flare it back outwards below the waist all the way to the side of her thigh right there. On the left side of her waist, I'm going to draw a curved line up and slightly out, and I'm going to trace the same line on the left side upwards to the ending point right there. Now for the inner line of her leg, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards from the middle point right there, and below her knee, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the right corner. And for her foot, I'm going to draw a curved line across at this lower point in the middle. On the left side of that curved line out, semicircle turn upwards and turn it diagonally inwards. Now for her left arm, I'm gonna extend the line from the top at the side at the upper corner right here, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner, curl it back outwards and semicircle turn downwards. Flare it slightly out and turn it diagonally in with a curved line and downwards to the right, sideways to the right, and trace the same set of line upwards on the right corner right here all the way to the side of her shoulder right here. Below that shape on the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards, turn it diagonally to the right and turn it downwards, sideways to the left and turn it upwards, curved line diagonally to the left and up, and another similar shape on the outer corner on the left, semicircle turn upwards, flare it out with a curved line and turn it inwards to the right. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line at that corner. Inside of that shape, on the top left corner, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that point and a triangular shape on the right side of that. Now for her thumb, I'm going to draw on the right corner a curved line downwards, semicircle turn back upwards from the tip of the thumb, sharp turn back downwards to the other finger, and semicircle turn back upwards from the tip of that finger. Now for the inner line of her hand, I'm going to draw above the thumb a diagonal curved line at that corner. Extend that line upwards beyond the tube. And above, I'm going to draw a line at the side of the arm on the right at that corner. For her right arm, I'm going to draw an arch curved line diagonally down to the right. Curved line downwards, sharp turn back diagonally up to the left. Another similar diagonal line below that. Turn it downwards. Diagonal turn to the left and downwards. Semicircular turn diagonally to the right. Turn it back to the left. Semicircular turn back downwards. Sideways to the right. And I'm gonna trace the same set of line back upwards on the right side right here. And at that corner, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back diagonally down towards her hand. At the outer corner of that line on the right, diagonal curved line down and slightly out. Turn it back diagonally in and downwards. Sideways to the left. And trace the same set of line back upwards. Below that ending point below, I'm gonna draw her thumb on the left with a curved line downwards. Semicircular turn back upwards on the right corner. On the right side of the thumb, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards. Turn it downwards. Semicircular turn back upwards on the left corner. On the left side of that, I'm going to copy the same shape of the finger and turn it diagonally to the left. And on the left side of that, a curved line across. Semicircular turn upwards. Turn it back downwards on the right corner and sideways to the right. Repeat that same set of shape for the other finger on the left right here. Now for the inner line of her hand, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line at that corner. And from the side of her shoulder, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards, semicircular turn inwards.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.